Hello and welcome to DC Tech Talks. Today we are going to unbox 3-in-1 Bluetooth scanners from DCode DC5112BT, which is a 1D barcode scanner, and DC5122BT, which is a 2D barcode scanner. So let's try and unbox both these scanners one by one. So this is the programming manual, which can be used to change the settings of the scanner. Secondly, you'll be able to find a USB cable which can be used to charge the scanner as well as transmit the data. Then you can find a 2.4 GHz dongle which can be used to transmit the data with the help of radio frequency. And lastly, this is the Bluetooth barcode scanner. And with a press of the trigger, you'll be able to switch on the scanner. Now let's unbox the 2D barcode scanner 5122BT. Here as well, you'll be able to find all the manuals and cables and everything. The reason we call this a 3-in-1 scanner is that you can use this particular cable to transmit the data and use this as a wired scanner, and then use this particular dongle and use this as a wireless scanner with the help of radio frequency. And lastly, you can use the Bluetooth mode to connect your smart devices directly without the help of any dongle or any wire. And to know how to connect the scanner with the help of the wire or the dongle, we have posted separate videos for the wired scanner and the wireless scanner. You can refer those videos. In this video, we'll try and connect this scanner to our computer with the help of Bluetooth directly. So in order to connect the barcode scanner, we just have to simply scan this particular barcode which says Bluetooth HID mode. Yeah, so this is now clear, and then match. So let's try and scan this particular barcode and then match. And now this blinking light will tell you that this is in pairing mode. Now let's go to our computer screen and try and connect this particular barcode scanner. We'll try and open the Bluetooth settings. Yeah, so we'll simply click on add device and let's see. Yeah, so our computer now is able to find this particular scanner, and then we'll simply connect this. Now it is connected and ready to be tested. And now let's try and test the Bluetooth barcode scanner from DCode. And you can connect this scanner with any of your smart devices, be it mobile phone, tablet, directly with the help of Bluetooth. So this was the demo of Bluetooth scanner from DCode. Thank you for watching the video.